Welcome back to Rhino Lock. Today we are going to go ahead and take a look at this American lock. It is technically a master lock, as American lock is now being produced by MasterLock. As you see, the key works. It is a 4-pin lock, and unfortunately, due to moving and everything else, I couldn't find my picks. So I was able to find this old cheap set, and I know that a lot of people have seen these on Amazon, and you always see a post on Reddit if these are good or not. I suggest everyone stays away from them. Go ahead and buy yourself 1 or 2 picks from Jimmy Long, or pick another manufacturer. Don't get the Amazon kit. But if you do get the Amazon kit, or you do have the Amazon kit, some things to consider. The feedback is horrible, but you can pick a lock with it. Now, why is this kit so horrible? If you actually look, the hook itself is about the same size as the key. So getting it into the keyway is really just difficult. You won't have much room to manipulate the hook if you need to. As you can see, we're at 3/1000 of an inch there. And if we were to measure the blade of the key, we are sitting at 3/1000 of an inch. So you've been warned. If you pick up this set, you can pick a lock with it, but as for a beginner set, stay away. You will not enjoy it all that much. You can also see that this tensioner, I went ahead and modified the tensioner a little bit. But let's jump into this and get this lock picked. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, 3. We got some feedback. 4. Little click on 4. Coming back up to 1. 1, we're tight. 2. Give it a little push, see if we got it unlocked. Back to 1. And 2. There's nothing hung up. I feel like I overset something. Go ahead and reset. 1, nothing. 2, nothing. 3. Good click on 3. Using about medium weight tension on this. 4. Got to click on 4. Feels like it's nice and set now. Back to 1. 1's giving feedback. Got to click out of it. And 2. Good click on 2. Check 1 again. And there we go. We got the open. So as you see with this cheap set that I purchased off Amazon a long time ago, you can pick with it. As far as a beginner pick set, I think I got more frustrated with this set than any set out there. It has a lot of flex to it. It bends. It does not go back to the shape that it was. As you can see, went ahead and put a pretty steep bend in that. So stay away from that. Welcome to 2025. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and share, and we will catch you in the next video.